All right, welcome back everybody. This is part 2 of our discussion today, and it's going to be about the survey. So let's just write part 2 video. We talked about being inspired. I'm inspired by what's happening on Mars. I had a remote control when I was a kid, but nothing that worked 170 million miles from here. Then hopefully we did a little group chat on a group chant with SOH CAH TOA, the OPP, the HYP, and the ADJ. All right, now it's survey time. It's that time of year where we're starting to wind down on the school year, and we need all of you to take some time to answer some specific questions that help us be reflective over the summer and be more effective teachers in the future. All right? Now, this is worth a quiz score. It's that important. It'll be your solo at-home learning activity. If you have time, you can start it in class, but we want everybody to kind of see the expectations. All right? So here we go. Recap of geometry class. Each spring, teachers are required to collect data and reflect on how the school year went. To accomplish this, we hope that you will take a few minutes to answer the following survey and think about how school went for you and how you feel about math as a required class in school. The survey is anonymous and is used to help us be better teachers in the future. We don't want you to rush. We want you to give details and explanations on how to help us improve for the future. This year, because of online and virtual lessons, is even more important because we need to make sure as a school that we experience learns to use technology more effectively. To do this, we need suggestions. Serious. Monty might do things totally different than your English teacher. Your science teacher may be doing it totally different than your CTE teacher, your elective classes. And we haven't had time as teachers to meet and find best practices. That's one of the reasons we need you to give truthful answers, take time, and let us know. You can't let us know unless you're willing to write sentences. Okay? So, you're going to find it's in a form. Okay? So, the solo at-home learning activity is in a form. I love forms because literally you just click on the form and you can immediately start arranging things, moving them up and down. There's a little slider here. Okay. You can just immediately just start typing your answers. Okay. Oh, I should do the preview form, right? Here we go. So you're literally going to move them up, down. You're literally just going to type away, and you could put up to 500 words in any one of these boxes. Okay? Why did you pick your number 1 class? Be specific. Why did you make that your bottom end class? And it's okay to say, I hate whatever subject it is, math. Okay? Did you look forward to geometry class? Was there real world math? Was there ways for you to demonstrate your understanding that other teachers didn't give you? Or did other teachers have ways for you to demonstrate your understanding that Monty and Miller didn't include? Okay? So, this is like 17 questions. Some of them, I hope you take the time. You can literally just click and go through this in 6 minutes. That's not what we want. Especially when it says, what are you looking forward to most next year? Being in school. What about being in school? How can we do better for you to be inspired by school? What have you heard? What have you seen? What do you hope? Okay? So again, take time, especially when it comes to these bottom ones, because you are the people that help give us the ideas and the inspiration to be better next year. All right, so head back here. Feel free to ask questions. Mr. Miller is just going to actually scroll right through these questions. Feel free to ask, tell, question, discuss amongst yourselves. Okay, we have time. This is the only activity this week. When you come back on Wednesday, Thursday, we'll have a little Mathia session in class. There's no at-home Mathia this week. Okay, skip Mathia. This survey is more important than anything else we do this week. All right? So, have a great week. Enjoy the 70-degree weather and be inspired by springtime. See you, everybody.